Now see about the parallel lines and transversal. Do you know about the intersecting lines? Intersecting E. The lines intersect each other at a common point. Suppose this is the line AB and this is the line PQ. These two lines are intersect each other at the point O. Then you can say these two lines are intersect each other. And when the lines are intersect each other, some angles are formed there. You can see the 4 angles there. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Is it clear? Now see, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Because it is the linear pair. Now see, like this. You can say it is the linear pair. This one. And the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Means angle 1 and 2. The sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Again you can see angle 3 and 4. Sorry. Angle 2 and 3 form a linear pair. Angle 2 and 3 form linear pair. The sum of these two angles is the 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 and 4. It is the 180 degree linear pair. And again angle 1 and 4 form a linear pair. Is it clear? Now see, suppose these two lines are intersect each other at the point O. This angle 1 and this angle, suppose this angle is the 2. These two angles are always equal. Suppose this angle is the 30 degree, again this angle will be 30 degree. Then how you can find the value of x and y? This angle is 30 degree, then this is the linear pair. Means the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. One angle is the 30 degree, then another angle will be 150 degree. And if the value of x is 150 degree, again the value of y is equal to 150 degree, because the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Is it clear? Now see, now draw two parallel lines. Suppose these two lines are parallel each other, line PQ and line RS. These are the two lines and they are parallel lines. And if it is the transversal, then AB is the transversal. Is it clear? Give the name. Suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. This is the 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see, above these parallel lines and transversal, you can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? It is the linear pair. Then angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Is it clear? Then again angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. The sum of, you know the linear pair, but the sum of these two angles, the sum of these two angles is always 180 degree. Why? Because they are interior angles and the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. They are always supplementary. Similarly, again, the sum of angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. In दोनों की सम भी 180 degree होगी. Is it clear? Means then you can say angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. interior angles on the same sides of the transversal. Is it clear? Let's see another part. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle, these two angles are always equal because they are alternate interior angle, and similarly angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. These two angles are equal. Is it clear? Now see another angles. How you can say about the angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. See this angle and this angle. What you can say about this two angle? They are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are always equal. Similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Again, they are corresponding angles. Is it clear? They are always equal.